are you? Fine, good. I'm good too. Okay, yesterday we finished number line in inequalities topic. You were online, right? But you did yesterday's class. So we are going to solve the inequalities today. So what is solving inequalities? You can see the topic. Can you see? Can you read? Solving inequalities. Read. Solving. Say. Read. Solving inequalities. Okay, solving inequalities means you make a solution. Okay, you make a solution. No PDF, teacher? Is PDF? Okay. Okay. Highlight. Okay, now you can see solving inequalities means you make a solution, and this is also called solving linear inequality in one variable. Now what does this mean? This means, what do you mean by linear inequality? The inequality you show in a number line. Linear means a line. Okay? So solving in one number line is linear inequality. One variable means only one letter. Like here, x is a variable. So one variable. Okay? So in inequality, sometimes you can have two variables. So we are not doing two variables. We are doing one variable. One variable means one letter. Variable means letter. Okay? See, x is letter, one variable. So if you understood the title, the topic, let us see how do you solve the inequalities. Now to solve the inequalities, we have addition. You know addition, right? Addition properties and multiplication properties of inequalities. So what does the addition says and what does the multiplication property says? Addition property means if you have A, B, C are real numbers. Suppose you have A, B, C real numbers. So when A is less than B, then if you add C to A and B, then A plus C is also less than B plus C. Okay, I show you example. A is 1, B is 2, for example. Let's say C is 3. Now if you add A plus B means 1 plus 3, B plus C means 2 plus 3. So isn't A is less than B become AC is 4, B plus C is 5. Correct? Is it? So this is 1 is A, 2 is B. 4 means A plus C, B means 5 means B plus C. See? A is less than B, A plus C is also less than B plus C. Did you understand? The addition property says if A is less than B, then A plus C is also less than B plus C. Okay, if you don't understand, later when you do the problems, you will understand better, okay? Now similarly, if A is less than equal to B, then A plus C is also less than equal to B plus C. This means if x is less than equal to 2, then x plus 3 is also less than equal to 2 plus 3. Clear? Understood? See, if x is less than equal to 2, then if you add 3 to both sides, then it's still x plus 3 is less than equal to 2 plus 3. Clear? Yes, understood? Okay, now look at the next. If A is more than B, then A plus C is also more than B plus C. 2 is more than 1, correct? Yes? Yes? Is it correct or not? Then 2 plus 3 is more than 1 plus 3. Is it? Yes? Yes, because if you add 3 to both sides, their relation is still same. 2 plus 3 is still more than 1 plus 3. Okay. Now, similarly, if A is more than equal to B, then A plus C is also more than equal to B plus C. So this is same like this. And this is same like this. So it's very easy. But when you come to multiplication, this is little bit different when in some cases. Let us see what are the cases. Okay. Look at here. The same condition. You have 3 numbers, A, B, C. And if A is less than B and C is greater than 0, then AC is less than BC. Look at the example. 2 is A, 3 is B. Okay? And then C is this 2. See, this 2 is less than 3. Now, if you multiply with C, look at 2, then you get 4 less than 6. That means, cannot see? Can you see? Okay. Now, look at here example. 2 is A, 3 is B, and this circle 2 is C. So, if you multiply A into C is less than B into C. Okay, don't get confused. It's very easy. Similarly, these two are same. If A is less than equal to B and C is more than B, then AC is less than equal to BC. See the example here. Okay, they two are same. First and second same. Now, these two, be careful with these two. One, let's see. If A is less than B and C is less than 0. Now, C is less than 0 means C is negative number. You know negative number? Minus, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. They are negative number. If you multiply A and B with the negative same number, then the sign change. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, the rule is if A is less than B and C is less than 0, multiply with negative number, then AC will be bigger than BC. Okay, let me give you example. Look at this example. 2 is less than 3. Multiply with negative number both. Multiply with negative number. So now what happened? Minus 2, minus 3. Now which is bigger? Minus 2 big or minus 3 big? Which is more? Minus 2 more. So did the sign change? Did the sign change? Yes. First this was less than. Now we change to more than. That means when you multiply both sides with negative number, we change the sign. Okay, that's understood? Now this is same. If A is less than equal to B and you multiply with negative number, then the sign change. Less than equal to became more than equal to. Okay? Now if A is more than B and C is positive, so in case of positive, no sign change. Is the sign changing? No, they are same. When you multiply with positive number, no sign change. If you multiply with negative number, the sign change. Clear? So these two are same. If A is more than equal to B and C is more than 0, positive, that means C is positive. More than 0 means positive. Then AC is more than equal to BC. Now again these two, look at here. Multiply with negative number. C is less than equal to less than 0 means negative number. A is more than B. Now look at, if you multiply, the more than sign became less than sign. The sign changed. Did you see the sign change? Yes? First there is more than, now there is less than. Similarly here, first you have more than equal to, and then after multiplying with negative numbers, you have less than equal to. That means sometimes you have like this. If x is minus x is more than 2, okay, the multiplication rules property says when you change the sign, minus x is more than 2, now you change the sign. X became plus x, 2 became minus 2. The sign changed. Clear? Understood? Okay. These are the important properties of solving inequalities. And one more thing, you have to understand, when you have a multiplication properties, it is also applied to division, right? And addition also applies to subtraction. So the addition properties and subtraction properties are same. They are compatible to each other. And multiplication properties and division properties are same. Okay? They have same rules. So we just learned two properties. So after you learn, if you solve it, you will learn more when you do examples. Okay? Now, so I hope you are clear. When you do examples, you will be more clear. Now look at here. Our inequalities is x minus 7 is more than 3. Now we use substitution method. Substitution and elimination. Okay, we use these two methods. Substitution means you add numbers. Elimination means you subtract the numbers. Okay, now here to solve these inequalities, we substitute plus 7 both sides. Okay, so that you can eliminate 7 in the left side and you can add 7 in the right side. So you get x is more than 3 plus 7 is 10. You understood this example? You understood, right? So this is called substitution and elimination method. You add or you subtract. Now if x is more than 10, you know how to show them in the number line. So more than means we use open dot. You remember? Yes? More than means which dot? open dot. Okay? So if you have understood this, then let us go through another example. You okay? Ready? Okay, look at the example number 2, number B. Here, x plus 14 is more than equal to 21. Now, what do you substitute here? What did you substitute here? See? What did you substitute? Because you have to eliminate this 14 from the left side. So you substitute minus 14 to both sides. You must substitute both sides. So you can cancel 14 in the left side and subtract 21 minus 14, you get 7. X is more than equal to 7. And you know how to represent them in graph. Yes? You cannot do like this, huh? Minus 114 equal more than equal to 21. Just writing this is not enough. If you substitute here, you must substitute at the right side also. Clear? Okay, if you understand. Now, let us go to number C. Okay, can you tell me which property we use in number B? Addition property or multiplication property in number B? We did two properties, addition properties and multiplication properties in solving inequalities. See here, addition and multiplication. So in number B, which property we use? Addition or multiplication? Addition, good. Because this is plus, so we use addition. Okay, in number C, minus 3x. Minus 3 is multiplied with x. So we substitute minus 3 as a division here. We divide both sides by minus 3. Yes? So which property we use? Addition or multiplication? Is there addition? Did you add some number? No, we divide. So divide is also multiplication properties, okay? So now now we cancel minus 3 in the left side and we divide 12 by minus 3. So you get minus 4. Now it's like dividing with the minus sign. When you divide or multiply by negative number, we change the sign. Yes? Did the sign change? Yes. First it was more than, now we have less than. That means first we had minus x more than 4, like this. Now after the sign change, we have x is less than minus 4. Yes? See, when you divide or multiply by negative sign, we change the inequality sign. Did you understand? And when you draw the number line, when you show them in graph, please show the last answer in the number line. Do not show this in number line. Clear? If you show, you will be confused. Always solve and get the last answer and show them in number line. Is that clear? Understood?
นักเรียนดูจริงๆแล้วเราเรียนเป็นภาษาไทยแล้วใช่ไหมคือนักเรียนดูปุ๊บเนี่ยนักเรียนน่าจะรู้ว่าที่เชอร์พูดถึงอะไรแต่คำศัพท์บางคำคือนักเรียนจะฟังแล้วนักเรียนไม่รู้ใช่ไหมนักเรียนก็คร่าวๆไปได้ค่ะแต่เราแก้อะไรมาแล้วแก้สมการมาแล้วทีนี้นักเรียนดูตัวนี้วิธีการของเขาการแก้สมการมันจะมีขั้นตอนแรกคืออะไรคะเนี่ย addition อันนี้คืออะไรคะอันนี้คือใช้การอะไรคะ การบวกถูกไหมคะซึ่งมันจะเหมือนกับอีกอันนึงซึ่งที่เชื่อบอกว่ามันก็คล้ายๆกันกับอีกตัวหนึ่ง subtraction ของต่างประเทศของเรามันจะใช้แค่การบวกกับการคูณแต่ของเขาใช้ add คือการบวกใช่ไหม subtraction คือการลบก็คือใช้ทั้งบวกทั้งลบได้ในขณะเดียวกันตัวนี้ multiplication ใช้วิธีการอะไรคะการคูณหรืออีกอันนึงใช้ตัวนี้ก็ได้ division แปลว่าการหารเพราะฉะนั้นเขาใช้ได้หมดเลยบวกลบคูณหารก็เหมือนของเราไงย้ายไปบวกย้ายไปลบย้ายไปคูณย้ายไปหารนั่นคือหลักการเดียวกันนะคะแต่ตามทฤษฎีของไทยคือมันจะใช้แค่หลักการบวกกับการคูณทีนี้วิธีการแก้สมการนักเรียนรู้อยู่แล้วใช่ไหมเพราะเราเรียนเป็นภาษาไทยไปแล้วใช่ไหมคะเพียงแค่คำศัพท์หนูก็ต้องจำได้ less than greater than more than อะไรพวกเนี้ยหนูต้องจำให้ได้ตัวนี้อันนี้ที่เชิญอธิบายไปละที่บ้านเอาไปไงวะเนี่ยอันนี้ที่เชิญก็อธิบายให้เราฟังก็คือวิธีการก็คือถ้าบวกเราต้องเปลี่ยนเครื่องหมายไหมถ้าเราจะแก้สมการด้วยการบวกของการไม่เท่ากันเราไม่ต้องเปลี่ยนเครื่องหมายเราจะเปลี่ยนเครื่องหมายเมื่อไรเมื่อคูณด้วยจำนวนที่มันเป็นลบเหมือนกันนั่นแหละค่ะตัวนี้ที่เชิญก็แก้สมการให้ดูใช่ไหมเข้าใจไหมล่ะบางทีบางอย่างนักเรียนคือเราเรียนเป็นภาษาไทยไปแล้วเราไม่ฟังภาษาอังกฤษเราก็ยังเข้าใจถูกไหมเข้าใจไหมเนี่ยวิธีการของเขาคือบวกปุ๊บเอาไปทำไมได้เลยบวก14ก็ลบ14ถูกไหมก็คือเขาใช้ได้ทั้งบวกและลบแต่ของเราจะต้องใช้คำว่าเลยนะบวกด้วยลบ14ทั้งสองข้างใช่ป่ะนี่แหละโอเคพอ because student
Okay, thank you, teacher. Now, after you understood all these properties, let's come back to our practice work. There, you have to solve the inequalities first and show them in graph. So, you do, find the answer. Find the answer, okay? Did you understand the question? Solve the inequalities. Why it is so dark? Okay. Can you see? Yes, good. Because it's so dark. Okay, now you can see. Solve the inequalities means make the solution and show them in graph means show them in number line. Okay? Did you understand? Good. Now start doing your work. I will come to check your notebook. Thank you.
รียนของใครที่เสร็จแล้วนะคะนักเรียนเอาส่งให้ทิเชอร์ตรวจได้เลยเดี๋ยวทิเชอร์จะดูให้นะคะพร้อมเขียนประโยค sentence ก็คือคำตอบด้วยนะคะว่าเขียนยังไงอย่างข้อที่1คำตอบหนูได้ใช่ไหมคำตอบของนักเรียนคือ x is less than 20อ้าวใช่ไหมคะเขียนประโยคด้วยเขียนคำตอบว่ามันตอบว่าอะไรและไอ้คำศัพท์วันนั้นอะที่เรียนไปอะเรียนไปแล้วคำศัพท์ทั้งหลายแหล่เอาคำศัพท์แต่ละคำนะคะเผื่อว่าใครเขียนไม่ได้จำไม่ได้นะคะนักเรียนที่อยู่ที่บ้านทำได้เนาะใครไม่ได้สอบถามได้นะคะ เดี๋ยวเดี๋ยวสัปดาห์หน้าเรายังไม่รู้ว่าเราจะมาเรียนพร้อมกันไหมนะคะ พยายามทำการบ้านให้เสร็จทุกครั้งทุกชั่วโมงแล้วส่งให้เรียบร้อยนะคะ